Hi, welcome to the channel Teacher Tutor. In this video, we will know about the amazing facts about the moon. So let's get started. Moon is moving away. Yes, moon is moving away from us at a speed of 4 cm per year, the same speed at which your fingernails grow. Moon shows only one face to Earth. Moon is tidally locked to Earth and it takes same time to rotate about its own axis, that is rotate about itself, and to circle the earth once, that is 27 days. So we see the same face of the moon year around. Moon's year and day are same, that is 27 days. As it takes same time to rotate about its axis and to circle the earth once, its day and year are also of same time, that is 27 days. Our moon is the largest moon compared to its host planet. Our moon is the largest moon compared to its host planet, that is Earth. It is about 27% of the Earth. There is no moon in our solar system is this big, and it also has 1/81th of mass of Earth. Moon will take 47 days to orbit the Earth. As moon is moving away from Earth, it will settle at a stable orbit in about 50 billion years and will take 47 days to orbit the Earth once. That means 47 days for a full moon. Moon's dark side is colder than ice. As one moon day is 27 days long, the nights are extreme and 13 Earth days long. The places which stays in dark away from sun are as cold as minus 173 degrees Celsius by being continuously away from sun's heat. Moon don't have a moon but have a short-lived sibling. Earth have another moon which don't greet us very often. A 5-kilometer wide asteroid called Koitne, locked to Earth's gravitational pull, visits us in every 700 years and will be with us for 5,000 years, then bye-bye. Moon is not white, in fact pale black. As manned missions launched humans to moon, astronauts found that the moon is actually dark grey in color or similar to worn asphalt. Moon is the only celestial body set foot on by humans. With this vast knowledge and technology, humans have managed to set foot on moon on 21st July 1969. So the moon is the only celestial body set foot by humans to date. You can jump up to 50 feet into the air on moon. You can actually jump 50 feet up in the air on moon as the gravity of moon is only 1/6 that of Earth, that is 0.16549 g of Earth. Your footsteps in lunar soil probably will not erase forever. On moon your footprint will not erase forever as there was no wind, atmosphere or rain. Moon is a mustard seed, sun is a football, Earth is a pea. The moon is very small compared to sun and Earth. It's about 14 lakh kilometers versus 3,474 kilometers versus 12,756 kilometers in diameters. Moon is actually lemon shaped. Moon is not perfectly round, but it's like the shape of lemon as the Earth's gravitational pull elongated it when moon was born and was soft. Moon becomes supermoon frequently. Moon's orbit brings it close to Earth nearly 20,000 kilometers than average 3,84,400 kilometers. Supermoon is a moon which looks bigger than normal. Moon is responsible for solar eclipse, ocean tides and seasons on Earth. Moon's position in its orbit causes solar eclipse when Earth and Moon orbit intersect. Moon's gravity causes high and low tides in seas and Moon's pull is responsible for Earth's 23.5 degrees tilt and makes seasons on Earth. Moon is 389 times closer to Earth than Sun. Moon is only 3,84,400 kilometers far, but the Sun is nearly 15 crore kilometers away, that is 150 million kilometers. Moon is half Earth. Moon is half Earth. About 4.5 billion years ago, that means 450 crore years ago, when Earth was young, a Mars-sized object called Theia collided with Earth, and from the ejected materials, Moon was formed. So the Moon is half Earth. Moon will not cover the sun full during solar eclipse in future. As moon is moving away from earth hundreds of millions of years in future, moon will apparently look small from earth and will not cover the sun while solar eclipse fully. Moon is yours and mine also. As per the Outer Space Treaty of 1967, it is defined that moon and all outer space as the province of all mankind. If you have money, you can go to the moon on your own rocket and do peaceful experiments and works on moon. Some wanted to detonate moon. United States of America during World War II wanted to detonate atomic bomb on moon to show the world its atomic power. Moon's geology study subject. Moon's geology study subject is called as selenography because Selena is the another name of moon. Lunatic man. A psychologically impaired or crazy human is called as lunatic man. Our moon actually has no name. All moons of other planets have names, but moon misses it by being first to be discovered. You can't live without a spacesuit. Your denim will not work on moon. You will always need a spacesuit outside your pressurized cabin. Otherwise, you will be ripped to pieces and spread into space. To know about moon and what would be the condition if moon was not there, about space, solar system and many more maths to make funny calculations, subscribe to this channel by pressing subscribe button below. Give it a like and share it. Please make way for some space to knowledge in this entertainment world. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel for essays on different topics and answers for the question how much.